Hi all, welcome once again to Learn News. Today this tutorial is dedicated to Spring Boot basically. But what we are going to do is we are going to secure an endpoint that we are going to expose it with the help of a SSL certificate. And that SSL certificate, what we are going to do is develop it with the help of key tool provided with the help of JDK. So come quickly, let's open a Spring Boot project. I'm going to create a fresh and new one over here, new project. Here with the help of Spring Initializer, I'm going to create it. You can do that on your own with the help of Spring Initializer site. Since I'm using an Ultimate Edition of IntelliJ, Spring Boot, let's give the name as HTTPS REST. And it's okay, rest all things are fine. Dependency that we are going to use is Spring Web. And let's see next. Let's finish this one. Meanwhile, meanwhile let the projects get set up. Everything gets set up completely. Let's do one thing. What is SSL? Let's see. What are SSL certificates? It's basically a secure socket layer encryption based internet security protocol. First developed by Netscape in '95 for the purpose of ensuring privacy, authentication, data integrity, and internet communication. So basically, it's a predecessor of the modern TLS or transport layer security. It's a network level security that is being provided uh, in order to prevent any sort of attacks to your dedicated delicate system, and to maintain the integrity of that one, we are going to secure one of the endpoints. So first of all, what I'm going to do is show you how the basic hello world example works here. So here, if I select on this main program, I'm going to expose this one as the REST controller. REST controller. So my main program is acting as the REST controller, and here what I'm going to do is declare a public string hello, and here we are returning hello world. Okay, and we are going to expose this method as the get mapping endpoint. Let's run this piece of code and let's see. The application is getting up and it is being exposed to server port 8080, and here you can see this hello world. Now what I am going to do is create an SSL certificate with the help of key tool. Let's go to the terminal over here, and I'm going to create this particular JKS file under this resource. Okay, so src main resources, and inside these resources what I'm going to do is execute this statement. Key tool gen key, the help of this alias, and alias is Tomcat, key algorithm is RSA, key size is 2048, and key store name is keystore.jks, and we are going to enter the password as anything that you like, but a minimum has to be of 6. Organization, name the city, Kolkata, West Bengal, India. Yes. And you will see that keystore.jks has been created here. In order to validate that keystore or I'm using something. Let us ignore it for a while. You can see that in the command, you search it in the Google and you can use it in the key tool. Next, what we are going to do is secure this one. We have created the certificate. Next, what we are going to do is add on this into the application.properties file. Here what I have added is server port 443, the location of the key store, the password of the key store, the type, either it's a PCS12 or a JKS, and the alias of the key store. Okay, now I'm going to run the application once again. It will, in the log you will be able to see certain changes. Tomcat port is 443 and protocol is HTTPS secure. So let me do what? Let me try to refresh it with 443. Bad request. Your connection is not private. Let me go to advanced and proceed. Hello world. And what I have used is an HTTPS, but it's not a, says our certificate is not a valid one. It's an invalid certificate. So what you have to do is, from the trusted site you can buy certificate, you can install it, so that that can be a secured one. And since this is not a secured certificate that we have created, it's the certificate status you will find out in the here as an invalid one. You can show the certificate over here, issued by. Okay, this is the certificate information. This is the certificate path. Okay, so in this way we are going to create, we are going to secure this one of the REST API endpoints that we are exposing. Hope you like this tutorial, this plain basic one, and hope you're liking Learn News. Come back to my channel, and it's with exciting new tutorials I will be back. Until the next one. Thank you.